Our world is changing right before our very eyes, but we don't see it unless you look close enough. Welcome to the amazing world of island formation. Islands are not just fascinating pieces of land surrounded by water, but they're also an intriguing result of complex geological processes. Have you ever wondered how these islands are formed in the middle of the ocean? Let's dive in. Imagine our planet Earth as an enormous jigsaw puzzle. This puzzle is made up of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates float on molten rocks and constantly move, albeit very slowly. And sometimes they drift apart. Sometimes they collide. When these plates collide, one is often forced under the other, a process known as subduction. The plate being subducted melts under the intense heat and pressure, creating magma. This magma is lighter than the surrounding rocks and rises towards the surface, gradually forming a volcanic mountain. Over time, the volcanic mountain grows, and if it's in the ocean, it will eventually break the surface of the water to form an island. This process is responsible for the formation of some of the most famous volcanic islands in the world. For instance, the Hawaiian Islands. But what about those islands that aren't volcanic? Well, they're formed by something called coral reefs. Coral reefs are structures made from the calcium carbonate skeletons of tiny marine creatures known as coral polyps. Over thousands of years, these reefs can grow large enough to form islands. These islands, known as coral islands, are usually found in warm, shallow waters where coral can thrive. An excellent example of this type of island is the Maldives, an archipelago of 26 atolls made of over 1,000 coral islands. Then there are continental islands. These are essentially parts of continents that have been cut off by rising sea level geological events. These islands were once part of larger landmasses but became separated over time. Examples include Great Britain and Madagascar. Finally, let's talk about man-made islands. Yes, humans can make islands too. Using modern engineering techniques, sand and rock can be moved and piled up to create new land in the middle of the water. So, whether it's through tectonic activity, the work of tiny coral polyps, the rising and falling of sea levels, or human ingenuity, islands are continually being created in the middle of the ocean. It's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Just imagine, right now under the vast oceans, new land is being formed. That's the incredible story of how islands are born in the middle of the ocean. Someday, these might become islands, home to unique ecosystems, or even human settlements. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? That's the incredible story of how islands are born in the middle of the ocean. Please leave a like and subscribe for more about our mysterious world.